This is just a quick video tutorial on how to program a genuine Holden keyhead using the old cut key. My battery went flat and I figured, you know, instead of replacing the battery, I'll just go ahead and replace the keyhead because it's not my car and I don't want the, the circuit to sort of drop out, disconnect and cause trouble for the owner. So there's the keyhead. We're using a KF200, which is essentially a little programmer which plugs in underneath the steering column, which is down here. Let's see if I can get this quick. There it is. So it just plugs into that. So first thing to do is put the key in the car, turn it to the on position, which I'm guessing is up. I'm guessing that's on. And then we want to plug the programmer in. And it looks like it is one way or the other. It'll blink orange for a bit. Red means fail, green means success. So green's success, so then you turn off the car and remove the programmer. And then you should be able to start the car. Beautiful! So there you go, it's that simple. Good looking key, battery will last another 10 years, it's genuine Holden, so we're all good. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.